Hey, I'm Gobona Mantle. Please vote for me. I love acting and I want to go to New York because acting is my life. I believe in acting and everything I do. I just, I've been going around, going to like agents for acting, but I don't see anything. And I believe this one is my passport to New York. Please, guys, vote for me. Thank you. I'm going to be doing a piece by Erin Brockovich. So my monologue will be about Erin Brockovich. Oh, see? Now that pisses me off. First of all, since the demo, we now have more than 4,000 plaintiffs. And let's be honest, we know there are more out there. Now, they may not be the most sophisticated people, but they do know how to divide. And $20 million isn't shit when it's split between them. Second of all, these people don't dream about being rich. They dream about being able to watch their kids swim in a pool without having to worry they'll have a hysterectomy at age 20, like Rosa Diaz, a client of ours, or have their spine deteriorate like Stan Bloom, another client of ours. So, before you come back here with another lame-ass offer, I want you to think real hard how much your spine is worth, Mr. Buddha. Or how much you'll expect someone to pay for your uterus, Miss Sanchez. Then you take a calculator and multiply that by 100. Anything less than that is a waste of our time.